You've probably seen those YouTube videos where someone breaks down a topic in a super simple, minimal way. Those are called explainer-style videos. And here's the interesting part. Creators are making these and pulling in millions of views. For example, take a look at one of these videos. It has around 14 million views. Now, just to give you a rough idea, if the RPM is about $4, that's nearly $50,000 from a single video. Sounds crazy, right? You might be thinking, okay, maybe that's just one lucky video. But it's not. There are multiple channels doing the exact same thing, same explainer style, just different topics, and they're getting similar results. Take this channel. It only talks about guns, nothing else. Still, it's crossed 100,000 subscribers with just 48 videos. Then there's another one focused only on animals. Around 15,000 subscribers, with barely 20 videos. And here's the surprising part. Most of their videos aren't just doing okay. They're pulling in huge views. So what does that tell you? This space isn't overcrowded yet. There's still room to get in and grow. At that point, it really comes down to you. Just pick a niche you actually find interesting and stick with it. Don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Here's exactly what you're going to learn in this video. How to find video ideas, generate script, visuals, creating voiceovers, design thumbnails, and in the end, video editing. And the best part? You don't need to spend a single penny on any of this. All right, let's get started. I'll drop all the prompts I'm using in the pinned comment. You can grab them for free. First, copy the idea generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It'll give you a bunch of video ideas across different niches. From there, just pick the one you actually like and start working on it. For example, you could go into tech and talk about different phones, or choose cars and break down different models. There are tons of options. Just go with something that matches your interest, so you can stay consistent. Personally, I like the food niche, so I'm going with something like all types of pizza around the world explained. That's going to be my angle. And if you look at this food channel views, it's getting good number of views. Now let's turn your video idea into an actual script. Open the prompt document, copy the script development framework, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, in the title section, just drop your video idea and hit enter. You'll get a complete script ready to go. If you want a longer video, just ask it to expand each point a bit more. That's all you need. Now we need visuals for the video. I'll show you the process using a small part of the script. Go line by line, and for each line, think, what should the viewer see right now? Then find a visual that matches it. For example, if the script mentions Neapolitan pizza, you can just search it on Google and grab a clean image. Or you can use free stock footage sites like Pexels to get video clips. Do this for every line, match each sentence with a relevant visual, download it, and you'll slowly build your full video sequence. Now for the voiceover part. There are a bunch of free tools you can use, like Speechma, OpenAI TTS, or Google AI Studio. I'm going with Speechma here, because it's completely free, and the voice quality is actually decent. All you have to do is paste your script into it, complete the CAPTCHA, and hit the generate button. That's it. You'll have your voiceover ready. Creating thumbnail is very easy. I'm going to use ChatGPT for this. Just copy the thumbnail prompt, paste it here, write the number of items you want to show, and then write their name in sequence as you will show them in the video. And that's it. Hit enter. In case, if ChatGPT doesn't create correct one, you can again ask him for correction, like it did right now. I'm going to use CapCut on PC for editing. First, import your voiceover, then add a white background. You can just download one from Google. Next, add the thumbnail. Now apply a zoom in effect on the first item. Add a keyframe, move about 20 frames forward, and then increase the zoom on that same item. After that, keep adding images and videos according to the voiceover. If you need to crop anything, just right-click the clip and select the crop option, then remove the extra parts. You can also increase the speed of clips, so the video doesn't feel slow or boring. Add some text as well to grab attention. You can change the font and color. Usually comic-style fonts are used in this niche, but you can choose whatever fits your style. Now I'll go ahead and do all these steps and edit the full video. I'll show you the result after editing.
Neapolitan pizza. Originating from Naples in Italy, this is often considered the original form of pizza. It features a soft, thin crust with slightly charred edges from high-temperature wood-fired ovens. The toppings are minimal, usually including tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil, and olive oil. Its simplicity highlights the quality of each ingredient and reflects traditional Italian cooking.
Now I explained everything you need to know. You just have to stay consistent. All the prompts are in the description. Thanks for watching.